Alright everyone, in this video we're going to discuss exactly how much money you need to get started trading. Now, despite contrary belief, you do not need a lot of money to get started. The minimum amount I would recommend starting off with would be $2,000. This will allow you to make a wide range of trades and not get eaten up by commissions. Now, I won't lie, that starting with such a low amount will make it difficult to get things rolling. You won't be able to make as much per trade, and you'll have to invest a larger percentage of your portfolio per trade to see significant returns. Don't despair though, because a lot of millionaire traders only started with $2,000. You just have to understand it is just going to take a lot more work with that smaller account to get you to those bigger account numbers that, let's be honest, all of us are looking for. Now, on a positive note, having a smaller account will force you to only take the best trades, which in the long term of your trading career will make you a better trader. It's important to note that if you start under 20K, you will be subject to the pattern day trader rules, which states you can only make 3 day trades in a 5-day period. The way to get around this, however, is to open up a cash account with your broker. Now, the ideal range for those who can afford this is anywhere between $10,000 and $30,000. This allows you to make multiple trades without having to worry about commissions on OTCs or options. This also allows you to make multiple smaller positions without the risk of blowing up your account. And of course, the more money you have, the more money you can make in the stock market. Now, if you're a super baller and you can invest $80,000 plus, then I would recommend you open up multiple brokers based on the recommendations on the broker section of this course. However, if you're brand new and have that much cash, I would only start with $30, $20, maybe even $10,000 to get started. The last thing you want to do is put too much in too soon without the proper education, because all you're going to do is blow up your account anyway. So it's always better to start with a small amount, so that way if you do end up losing that amount of money, it's not going to put you in the poorhouse. Now, if you're a complete beginner, do not put in more than 30K. As a newbie, you're bound to make mistakes and will most likely lose more than you'll win for the longevity of your trading career, at least throughout the first 2 years. So you want to keep your losses very small. The way to do this is to only risk an extremely small dollar amount per trade. For example, maybe $2 or $10 per trade. This may seem ridiculous, but trust me, to succeed in trading, it's process over profits. And by taking super small amounts of risk, you can really focus on the process. Sure, you won't be making as much money as these big baller traders out there, but when you start getting consistency and you see that money continually coming into your account, when you scale up, those practices that you have from making those small trades will put you in a position to really capitalize on those bigger trades when you have a bigger account. Now, if you only have a few $1,000s to your name and that's all you can use to trade, then I would recommend you practice using fake money or paper trading and not risk your entire portfolio. This is essentially an account provided by your broker with fake cash that you can use to practice with. It is important though that if you are going to use a cash account, you do treat it like real money. In closing, do not be worried if you don't have a lot of money to start with. I personally started with $2,000 and was able to grow my account significantly. I would highly recommend new traders start small and then add in as you get more experience. It's very easy with good habits for that $2,000 account to easily become a $10,000, $20,000 account within a year or so. And after you have those habits, you'll notice your account will exponentially grow as you get more and more money into the account using the exact same practices you used at $2,000 as you'll use when you're at $200,000. All right, guys, that's it for this section. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.